dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are going to clean. I cleaned downstairs another day, which you guys will see, and then I cleaning upstairs now. So I don't know, for some reason I can't get both done within the amount of time that I have before I have to go pick up my kids. So I normally split it into two, but I did want to show you guys like both in one video. So you'll see me have an outfit change. It's okay. Anyways, so I hope that you guys get motivated to do something in your house, clean something, clean with me. I don't know, get motivated. Clean one thing, that one thing that you've been like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Even though I'm dreading it for the past 4 months, I'm gonna do it. So, if you are new, I know there's a lot of new faces. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I am so blessed to have you guys. I love you guys, and I'm praying for you guys all to have an amazing day, to be blessed, and I pray that God gives you everything that your heart desires, everything that you've been asking for. He grants it for you in his due timing. And anyways, so much to say. Sometimes I talk too much, but I'm gonna try not to talk. Let's go clean. Let's go clean. All right.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Okay, so you guys know that I always have a song, a scripture, a devotional, something that I'm reading to you guys, or a song that I'm telling you guys to go listen to. So today is a song. It's called Gratitude, Worthy of It All. It's like it all is a, if you put Gratitude by Maverick City, it'll come up, but it's technically called Gratitude / Worthy of It All / You're Worthy of My Praise, and it's by Maverick City. I love them guys so much, but that's such a good song, and it has a message on there that basically what she's saying is where anxiety lives, gratitude can't live with it. She says it's like a proven fact that if you're worried about something, you can't be grateful for it at the same time. You can't have anxiety and gratefulness at the same time. So that spoke to me because, you know, sometimes I think we all have a little bit of anxiety about certain things. When it comes to my kids, I'm so anxious about the little things, like silly things. And that song reminds me to not be anxious or worried or any of those things, but instead to be grateful and to thank God for it in advance. So if you're worried about, I don't know, your finances, let's say, instead of being worried, say, you know what, God, I know that you're my provider, and I know that you're going to provide for me, so I'm going to thank you. Thank you for finding a way for me to pay this bill, God. Thank you for providing for, you know, if I take the money from somewhere else, thank you for providing for what I took that money out of. My point being, be thankful, and I promise you, he's going to come through for you.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. just when it's cold. And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes.
My first time using this. Let's see how it works.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
How many of you feel like you're slaves to your kitchen / your floors? My floors are white, and I feel like you can see every little crumb, every little mistake that's on the floor. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So yeah, I'm a slave to my floors. I clean them. If it was up to me, I'd clean them like once every 3 months, but I've made it like once every week.
Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with.
Okay, so this is so embarrassing. Yeah, this is my desk. Okay, this is the catch-all. Like, those are blankets. I don't use blankets. When I buy sheets, or like new sheets, you know, it comes with a sheet, or I don't know, what do you call that? Like, not the fitted sheet, but the blanket. I had a flat sheet, whatever, guys, you know what I mean. I don't use them. So I'm thinking about throwing them away, or not throwing them away, but like donating them. So I'm thinking I'm going to donate all like my sheets, because it's just taking up room and we literally don't use them. So that's why that's there. I'm still debating. That's decorative stuff, which doesn't, well, I mean, guys, I just have crap. This is my catch-all. It's just a mess. So we're going to get that done. I have laundry I need to take downstairs. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm showing you guys. So my banister is just, look, I just got stuff everywhere. It's ridiculous. You're ridiculous, Caroline. Yeah, so we're gonna clean it. It's gonna be better. It's gonna happen, and it's gonna be great. So let's get it all done.
Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. got you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got motivated to get up and clean something, or if you just wanted to watch me do it, thank you. I appreciate you guys being here. Anyways, till next time, love you guys. Bye.